Children, now we are going to learn sound to letter. Children, I will say some sound. You will find the letter. Okay. See the letters, children. Sound. Which letter? Sound. Very good. M. Okay. M. Mosquito. M. Mosquito. R sound. Which letter? R. See these letters? Can you find it? Very good. R. R sound. R. 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 Ruler. R. R. Ruler. S sound. Which letter? S sound gives which letter? Do you know? See? No, S. Very good. S sound. S. S. Snacks. S. Snacks. Children, L sound gives which letter? L. See these letters? Which one gives L sound? L. 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 Lizard. L. L. Lizard. Next, N sound gives which letter? N. N. See these letters? Which letter gives N sound? N. Okay. N. N. Newspaper. N. In newspaper. Okay. Children, A sound gives which letter? A sound. See these letters? A. Very good. A sound. A. A. Axe. A. Axe. Children, T sound. Which letter? See these letters? T sound gives T. Very good. T sound. T. 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 Okay. Children, P sound. Which letter? See these letters? P sound gives which letter? P. Very good. P sound. P. 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 Pink. P. P. Pink. Okay, children, learn it.